welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for those of you who have dry skin, and I'm going to be focused on tips and tricks on how to get a very pretty foundation look. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face, and I always use my normal moisturizer. I have one that has just been what I use most of the time. Okay, so I'm just pretty much blending my moisturizer throughout my whole entire skin. Now I'm going to move on to apply a facial serum, and this works perfectly if we have dry patches because it gives our skin a more natural look and like a very hydrated type of look, and it looks very pretty. So remember to use the right products for your skin type. Okay, so now I'm gonna be applying some concealer wherever I have some imperfections, and you guys can see at the corner of my lips I have some like red spots, so I always conceal that with this concealer. This one is from the Body Shop, I think so. I depotted because it was a stick formula, and it is kind of a dry concealer, but I still like it because it gives me a decent coverage. So I still use it a lot, and it's been one of my favorites lately. I don't know, I'm kind of obsessed with it. So I really like it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take my stippling brush, and I'm gonna blend the concealer throughout my whole entire face. I do not want harsh lines, and remember that this concealer gives a decent coverage, so it doesn't really matter if I blend it or not. It's still gonna give me a good coverage. Okay, so now moving on to foundation. The one I use is the Photo Ready, I think it is, by Revlon. I don't really know what's the name of this one, but I do know it's from Revlon, and this foundation has like a very luminous effect, so I recommend you guys, for those who have very dry skin, to go with like a luminous effect type of foundation. It has tiny sparkles, and it's very pretty. It has a lot of coverage, and it can kind of look cakey if I apply too much. That's why I kind of go like light-handed with it, and I usually apply it with a beauty blender, but this time I felt like I wanted a little bit more coverage. That's why I ended up using a brush, but I think it's better with a wet sponge. So remember that if you have dry skin, to go with a luminous effect foundation. That's the main tip here, because that does give us like a very nice flawless effect, and it gives our skin a different type of feel rather if I was using a matte foundation and I have very dry skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna be setting my face with the translucent powder by Maybelline. I'm gonna pretty much apply wherever I apply my foundation, which is pretty much my whole area, and even a little bit around my neck area. And yeah, remember to blend this super well because this it's like the final step. So yeah. Okay, now taking any bronzer that you guys own, pretty much apply that in the cheekbone area. And remember that we're not contouring, so I do not focus on staying like in a sharp line or anything. I just want to pretty much give a little bit of like warmth to my skin since it looks so pale. And yeah guys, this is pretty much the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and can recreate it. Remember to leave a like on this video and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.